So this is Osprey Marina. It's home for the night. You can see summer rules down there at the fuel dock. Nice little secluded little spot. There's nothing nearby. 3 miles to restaurants. Turtles, alligators. There's some goats here that you can go and throw carrots at and they don't eat. It's a nice place to walk around, stretch your legs before continuing on north again. But we'll leave that for tomorrow.
Like that, we came out of our sweet little cove marina and we are back headed north. Bye, South Carolina, over there. Gotta open that one. All clear. Thank you for the opening. Have a good day. It's like Florida, but also like sea level rise doesn't exist. So you can basically live in the water. The house on stilts, which are cool. You can be out there, get your kayak ready, so that you can go swimming in that water. Nope. Lots of new houses being built around here. So this is why it's important to have 2 maps. One shows us directly in the middle of the channel. This one, if you can see, shows us going over land. We are clearly not on land and in the middle of the channel. So why is this main Garmin system showing us on land, and this additional program we paid for says what's up? Anyways, that's why you have 2 maps, so you don't go over fake land. Alright, one thing that's real that we have found that we need to always be looking out for are pirates. Like, no joke, pirates. Where are they, Larry?
Oh, they're everywhere.
One more time riding over fake land. You also gotta watch out for the occasional tree. Very green. We might get a little spits of rain also. Is this our last bridge in South Carolina?
I'm not sure.
This might be our last bridge in South Carolina.
I don't actually know where the border is.
We don't actually know. There's no like, welcome to South Carolina, North Carolina signs. It's not like a highway.
this was our anchorage for the night. It's called Pipeline. I believe it's on Dutchman Creek. We are going to get an early start today and head north again. A nice calm night here. Couldn't feel the boat moving. There's a boat ramp down that direction, so you get a couple of wakes from small boats passing by, but other than that, all to ourselves and nice and calm.
Hello, North Carolina. Bye bye, marshy South Carolina. Bring on clear water. Fingers crossed. About 5 miles from North Carolina border. Hey, hi fishing boats, hi! Hello! Hi! Yeah, it's a big one. Get your seafood here. Apparently this is the spot. We have a dolphin sighting, and Jack has alerted us that they are near. I saw them too.
Jazzy's playing chicken.
Navigating the busy waters of the Southport Inlet. There's another big egg coming behind me. Jack is very intrigued here. What is it, Jack? Is there something in the water? Sleepy baby woke up just in time to see the big boat. What is that?
Wow!
Bye, big boat. Go find your friend. My good man, did you take a nice little nap this morning? Hi, my baby boy.
Hey mommy, there's a boat.
I know, I saw. This dog. So Jack saw a dolphin 3 days ago, and he hasn't stopped looking for it since. Where is it, Jack? See a dolphin? We've also shouted out the E word so many times that he now knows exactly what we're talking about when we say dolphins. Lyle and I decided we needed a code word for them.
So we just passed Carolina Beach, went through some more blinding rain, lightning, 30 knots of wind, through a narrow channel again, and under a bridge.
And Jocelyn was driving.
Jazzy was driving again. She likes the bad weather driving.
It's raining, it's pouring, I might come in and snore. This has been North Carolina for us, pretty much, today. Hot and sunny. Yeah, this storm sailing. Don't knock it till you've tried it. It's everything it's cracked up to be. But look at this palm tree. I feel like it's so happy in the middle of all this. America.
I think it's fine. I think it's big too.
No?
Will it ever stop raining? Do we ever see the sun again? Will we ever get our clothes dry? So many questions. I guess you'll have to join us next time to find out. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you'd like to follow along in real time, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. If you get any value out of these videos or some slight entertainment, then consider checking us out on patreon.com/summerrules. See you next time.